Welcome to our second session. This is session number 2. Okay? So in the last session we looked at asset is equal to liabilities plus capital, which is the accounting equation. Now we're going to build on what we did the last time. We said the owner decides to invest in the business with a house. He invests the house in the business which has no debt, zero debt. So plus capital, and the amount in capital the house is worth $600,000. So this is what the house is worth, $600,000. So the owner, as we said before, divided the capital into 6 parts: 100,000, 100,000, 100,000, 100,000, 100,000, 100,000. So that's a situation the last time around. Now we'd like to look at a situation where the capital actually changes in value over time. So let's say due to market forces, the capital changes value. So it is no longer 100,000, but it's a new value, and we're going to discuss that right now. So the new value is 130. So we have 130 for one, 130 for another, 130, 130, 130, 130. Here we can see that the asset value has appreciated by 30% over the period. So all the 3 shareholders would have gotten 30% increase in their investment. So they would have gotten 30,000 extra, 30,000 extra, 30,000 extra, and the owner would have also attained 30,000, 30,000, 30,000. So 90,000 extra the owner would have gained over the period. So this demonstrates the idea of the appreciation of the share. This is quite important for any business. The main objective of a business is to invest via asset, which impacts our capital, and then have that capital appreciate over time. This appreciation in value will also have an appreciation in the asset as well. Now we can also look at an example where Elon Musk had his company. Initially we have 100,000 here, but his company was actually worth $400 per share, but now it is worth $800 per share. So it's the same principle where the appreciation of the capital side of his company is resulted. So we have 130 here, but his was 800,000, 800 that the share appreciated. So that's what happened with that particular company. I hope this demonstrates the idea of an appreciation of capital over the period, because that's our objective here. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.